Did you know that owls were born with fur or hair? Yeah, I didn't either. I didn't know either. But before we get started, I'd appreciate it if you hit the like so this way the algorithm could push it out to more people. Thank you again. So this little scene right now actually reminds me of a movie with Arnold Schwarzenegger and Danny DeVito called Twins, where Arnold Schwarzenegger got all the good stuff and Danny DeVito got all the leftovers. That's why the little one of the little owls is by the heating pad because he's the little leftover trying to grow strong like Danny DeVito did. So did you know that owls are actual raptor birds in the dinosaur family? Yeah, look it up if you don't know. Thank you for watching, enjoy the music, and have an awesome, awesome day. I know I'm supposed to say like, share, and subscribe, but just you know what to do. And remember, it's a free subscribe. Thank you for watching.